Let's see the English alphabet. So these are the capital letters, all are in the bigger one. Okay, let's start with A here. So this is going to be A. Then next one is going to be B. Next one C. Then comes D. Here comes A, B, C, D, E. Then F. Here comes G. Then H. Here you can see I. Then comes J. Here comes K. Here's L. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. Then you can put N here. Here's O. You can see P here. Then you can write Q. R. S. T. Then you can say U. V. You can write W. X. Here you can see Y. And finally last Z or Z. Okay, all right, so you can see here there are 26 alphabetic letters. All right, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and 6 multiplied by 4, 24, and 2, 26. So all the alphabetic letters here. You can do the practice. I'm just saying once again: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, G or Y, Z. Thanks for watching. I hope you like the video. Have a good day.